I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning. I'm making up my gelatins for the week, and literally, I do not see a difference at all in how they dissolve. I just find it interesting how different companies do different things. So see that powdery, that's salty, and this, it's a little more granule, and that's element. I don't know if you can tell side by side. I'm kind of blocking the light. Let me see. Let me zoom in here. See, it's a little bit different, but I'm here to tell you they both work great. So that is not a diss on either one of them. Yeah, that's not a diss on either one of them because I love Element and I love Salty. I have a code for Salty if you would ever want to buy Salty and get a discount. But I love Element just as much. It's just I ain't got a code for Element. But yeah, I just wanted to, I don't know, so when I follow somebody, there's people that I follow and I'm just a nosy. I like to know things that they're doing, and if they know something, tell me about it. It ain't gonna do nothing, but just tell me about it. I like to know things. So anyway, yeah, I love Element and I love Salty. Both of those together, I've got a necklace on. Let me tell you what I'm doing. So this necklace is real tarnished. And I think I have some jewelry cleaner, but something I remember from when I was younger and I didn't care about things being tarnished. If you wear something, it kind of wears the tarnish off of it. It wears the tarnish off of it. So I'm gonna wear it around today and see if that wears the tarnish off. I know. I actually do have some jewelry cleaner. I used to. I'm not sure if I still do or not. Anyway, I think I have some jewelry cleaner, but anyway, why deal with all that if I could just wear it on the day that I ain't got to go nowhere? We'll see. I don't know. I could be wrong, but it seems like I remember doing that with jewelry when I was a kid. But anyway, yeah, so I'm making gelatins this morning. It is 11 o'clock. I've not eaten anything yet, but I slept until 9. Let me rephrase that. I got up at 6. Fed the dogs. I was still exhausted. I think it's because I've still, this sinusy stuff that's going around. But anyway, so I went back to bed after I fed the dogs, and they let me sleep till 9:30. Anyway, so, but I only have one load of laundry today. Here, let's go through my list. I'm not going to I have to wipe off the stove top. I haven't used the microwave much. Bathroom. Laundry, yes. Clean my mirrors. Vacuum and mop. I might vacuum. I probably need to go vacuum. I did it last week. Trash, recycle, and dog bowls. So I'll do the dog bowls sometime this weekend. Then I have some, I already went through, just kind of double checked the bathroom closet, kind of reorganized it a little bit. It wasn't a mess. I just kind of moved things around a little bit to make me feel like I was doing something. I have on here to sweep the special things I'm supposed to do is clean the doorknobs and switches. I ain't got some dirty little kid around here that's touching stuff. It's just me and my germs, so I'm not going to clean the doorknobs and switches. I'm supposed to dust the inside of my Precious Moment Touch. I put a Monday on some of these things, so maybe Monday I'll do them, if I do them. And organize my basement storage. So really, things are organized, but it's more or less making sure things are where they should be, Sweep the garage out. I did that last 2 weeks ago whenever I put some litter down to kind of help try to absorb some of the oil in my garage. Didn't work. Because it's from old Bessie. Bessie was a good old girl. She was 16 whenever she when she crossed over to the big car pasture in the sky. Anyway, so I don't need to sweep the garage. I can wipe that off. I'm going to make my carny buns this weekend. Just want to make a couple. I want to make an updated video about it. Because I noticed that that's the rage right now. Everybody's doing 2-ingredient carnivore buns. Well, Mine are meat and eggs. Talk about 2 ingredients. You ain't even got to buy nothing special. Just use some cooked meat and an egg. Anyway, so I'm going to try to make those. But I also have with gelatin. So I may try them with gelatin too. I've got on here gelatin breading. So I'm defrosting some of the pork loin that I had and a steak. I've got those out. So I might try the gelatin breading on that pork steak. Pork chop, sorry. I have to make creamies, and I'm making my gelatins now. So anyway, so I'm making my gelatins now, and then yeah, I got a video on that if you want to know how I do it. All right, I just thought I'd show you because I just thought it was interesting that they both are the same type of product, but they just have different textures, and they both dissolve great, so there's no complaints. Neither one dissolves more than the other, in my opinion. I think they're both amazing. I just thought I'd show you because I like knowing stuff. Howdy ho. I got the gelatins done and then the refrigerator. It is 12:15. I had my coffee earlier, and now I'm going to eat. This is the leftover chuck roll steak from last night, but no veggies. The veggies I ate last night. So it's just chuck roll steak that I cooked in my cast iron skillet. I'm not having a Zevia, but what I am having is the other day I made some gummies, and I just made it instead of the cute molds. It's just me, and I don't care. So I just did them in this. So it's not gelatin. Terri. It's not it's not the gelatin recipe. It's the gummy recipe. So I made gummies. It's like anyway, so I'm having some gummy bars along with my steak. Let's see if I seasoned it decent last night. Sometimes I don't, and the next day Terri has to kind of make up for the night before's lack of taste buds. No, it's good. So I'm gonna eat that and this. I'm on the last bit of my laundry. What have I done? Made my gelatins. Oh, let's check on my necklace. I'll show you. I know. I'm kind of dorky. It's still tarnished looking, but that's all right. I go see if I have some cleaner. How about I do that? Well, hang on. Let's go see if I have any. No, I kind of remember having cleaner and it going, having a leak or something. Let's see. And I know they sell those little, those cloth things, but this is working just fine. The inside of my t-shirt. But anyway, so yeah, one of these days I need to pick up some jewelry cleaner. But since I ain't got none, I'm just gonna keep wearing it. I ain't got a lick of sense, y'all. But anyway, so all right. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat my steak. I'm on my I gotta put my last load of laundry away. I mean, there's only one load, but like put up my underwear and stuff like that. I got my gelatins. I still have to do my creamies. I'm sad. I used to have more of these. The bad thing about being a hoarder is you put things away sometimes and you don't know where you put them. And so I checked up above my cabinets and my wall cabinets and in my island. I checked downstairs, but I didn't look hard. So I'll check down there again because I'll show you what Sherry Morgan had me do. She was messaging me and says she makes some with gelatin. I think I used too much gelatin because both times I ran it, the blade fell off. But she says she makes it and then puts it into a baggie. that's cold. After spinning it, and then she said she puts her baggie and breaks off little pieces sometimes, and she wants a little sweet treat. So I did that, but I think I used too much gelatin. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, so I was wanting to see if I could find the other little containers so I could try to make more of those. Anyway, I'm just jibber-jabbering. I love y'all. Bye. Okay, I've kind of been picking at my supper. My friend's been having a heart-to-heart talk, and I didn't want to not listen to her. So I had these rutabagas in my refrigerator, or in my freezer, and I'm like, today's the day I'm eating them. So I air fried them. Hang on, I don't want my character to die on my game. I air fried them, and I got some nutritional yeast on them. So today is an anti-carnivore today. And then we have an orange flavored creamy. And then I had some more pork loin. I'll show you. Hang on, I gotta aim it down on my lap just right. I cut it into strip up. I fried it, skillet fried it, and cut it into strips. We're gonna give it a try. That dark that's on there, that's that bottom of the skillet goodness. You know, when you're done with your cooking, you get dark stuff. Oh, and I also have 1 slice of pork belly. So when you're done cooking, put a little splash of water in there. And all that brown that's in the bottom of your skillet, that's called flavor, man. See that brown? That's called flavor. When I get done today, my creamies, my gelatin, and my laundry. I think that's all I got done today. Oh, and I went to Walmart and got some meds. Oh, and I filled my little pill box. So, all right. I love y'all. Tomorrow's Jesus and Judy again. Judy is not feeling well, so she went by and she got us a pork steak at a place, and so we're gonna eat that tomorrow. She went and picked us up some, and let's see if there's any difference in this thing. I think it's a little bit better. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow too. No, Monday. Anyway, yeah. So Judy may not go see Jesus, but I'm gonna go see I think I have adult church at 8, kids at 10, and then mom afterwards. So I'll catch you up tomorrow. I love you guys, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.